The Smith-Lewis family has a lot to celebrate: a 13th birthday and a beautiful new home in New Bedford, Massachusetts.
There's 5 bedrooms in the house, and everyone has their own bedroom, and that's big.
A single mom with 4 children, Sarah Smith-Lewis wasn't sure she would be able to afford her own home on her personal care attendant's salary.
When I first started looking into buying a home, it was very overwhelming.
So she went to a Mass Housing approved homebuyer education class and learned about financing options offered by the City of New Bedford and Mass Housing.
I only had to put down a small amount, which really helped me get into this house with the help of Mass Housing in the City of New Bedford.
You get 100% financing for a single family. Also, you get unemployment payment protection. So if you lose your job, you have the peace of mind that Mass Housing will help.
That unemployment protection, called MI Plus, covers principal and interest payments on her mortgage for up to 6 months at no added cost. It was a big help to Sarah when her employer cut back her hours at work.
I'm definitely in a loan that I can definitely afford going forward.
Our mission is sustainable homeownership, and that's what we do.
Sarah is so happy with the help she got from Mass Housing. She's spreading the word about home ownership with her friends.
A lot of people are like, wow, if she can do it, I can do it. For me, it was a big step towards my future because, you know, I have a plan for me and my family. I want a home for my children to grow up in and something to pass on to them when they get older. We have our forever home.